behind every stay is a team that cares. At Rent Branson, vacations are designed to feel effortless. As the area's leading vacation rental management company, they've curated a collection of homes that fit every style and size, from romantic cabins for two to sprawling lodges for reunions and retreats. The Rent Branson team lives and works in Branson, which means they are ready when needed, with recommendations for the best shows, the quietest hiking trails, or the restaurants only locals know. From easy booking to smooth check-in, and from spotless homes to personalized service, Rent Branson ensures every detail of a trip is handled with care. For them, it's more than hospitality. It's about helping guests experience Branson in the best possible way. Discover Branson your way with a trusted company that treats every vacation like it's their own. Rent Branson, where vacations begin.